So how easy is it to remove color streak nail strips? I'm gonna show you. It is so simple, you can remove them within minutes. So I just have this cheap little sponge nail remover thing in here. And again, you can use any nail remover polish. It doesn't take anything special to remove. So I just stick my nail in here like this, move it around in there on the sponge. And you can see that's all I'm doing. And it's already off. Told you, super fast, super simple. I have had these on for over a week, and I've gone camping, I've gone to the lake, I have gardened, we pulled weeds, super simple. And then I just take it, wipe it off. Voila, you're ready for a brand new set.